Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. The audio's good here. All right, good. Morning, Timbo. Good morning, Predator. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Let's get over here. Take a look. See. Let's mark out the overnight high. And the overnight low. Okay, got that done. See if there's any news today. Actually, let's mark out the London low. Technically, we already ran it, but we'll mark this low out because it's kind of an important low. And then that wick is relatively obvious. Can take these levels off. Previous day low, let's mark that out. Down there. All right. I think those are the levels that we need. Seems reasonable. What up, Yonix? Francis, good morning. Okay. And then I'm actually going to change this chart to a My Funded Futures chart. I'm not quite sure what this chart's doing. There we go. And My Funded Futures, we just need to take a little base hit if we can get it. Set the ATM up on that. This eval again. Getting all my ATM set up. I'm not running the bot this morning, guys. I'm going to manually put it on. And I'm only going to do the 15-second trade. Let's see if we got any news today. Good morning, Coach Fred. Do we have any news is the question. Michigan one-year inflation expectations, 10 a.m. looks like. Consumer sentiment. We got some oil. Is that oil? Yeah, oil news at 1 and 3. That's not really us. So really just 10 a.m. news. What up, Tech T? Good morning. Just 10 a.m. news, looks like. All right, so let me kind of practice this here. So we would go like that, and then okay. Okay, we got it. Be ready to drop it. Drop it. And we got this pulled up here. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah, breakout failed. Yeah, kind of did. Pushing down here. Man, I'm bad at marking out levels, I guess. I had that wick off by a couple of points. Back through that gap there. Kind of have low resistance liquidity built up here, so it's not shocking to see, right? What are we going to listen to this morning? What are we listening to today? Maybe we do something different. Let's see. Yes, quite a bit stronger here than Nasdaq at this point. You're sticking with RTY today, clean and bullish. Let's go. Good morning, Neo. What do we listen to? I'm not sure. I don't know here. Trying to find something to watch or listen to this morning. Oh, something different. Let's see. What kind of music we want to listen to. Let's go with something different here. All right, let's check out Mancini's information. I haven't really looked at that either. Let's see what he's saying. Mark out the levels. We got 8 minutes till open here. He says, today is OPEX day. These are frequently but not always choppy. We've been paid so heavily this week, no need to force trades. I won't be trading unless we get a deep flush discussed in newsletter. Hold runner, mini support 63.41. Hold runners 49.57 or above. What else? 33 to 27 first back test. All right. Maybe this is a kind of a retracement Friday. I don't know. We'll see. It looks too easy. Don't talk yet, design. Get your money first and then say, that was easy. That was easy. Get your monies first. Then say it. Oh. We're going to try to get a decent trade in on our trade days today. I mean, if we can have a winning trade, we can pass. We could have a losing trade and still need a day or two. We'll see. Just going to take one trade, I think. The 5-minute RTY is so clean. I don't even watch RTY. I should probably, though. I just don't. I should, but I don't. That gold played out overnight there, that long. Right there. Boom. You had another setup here, too. Look at this. I love the 5-minute on gold. If you guys aren't using the 5-minute on gold, I mean, it's so solid. This is another 5-minute. This is cleaner than this. This is cleaner, in my opinion. Right? Break above, first target here, second target this high, and then you look left for your next target. Here, here, here. Just going. Trade day is 7 days, Tech T. I'm on day 7 and day 8, so I can pass today. If we have winners. We got this one if we have a winner. One winner will pass, and these two need a little more. I would be probably 250 away. I might look for a second trade on these if we do get a winner, or I might just save them for Monday. I don't know. We'll decide. Depends on price action, really. And if we take a loser, I'll put them away, and we'll just trade 2 days on Monday and Tuesday and try to get them there. We'll see. We'll just see what it gives us. Good morning, Robert. If the price action's good, then, you know, we'll roll with the punches. Do what we can get. So, again, I'm manually taking the trade. Woof, what was that? Is that 925 candle? It is. When my fund future says 50% off any plan, you must choose trade evade, or you can choose anything, Onyx. Any plan, any size, any platform. that they offer. Use code MM for your first purchase. That was an interesting 925 candle. They are ending that sale soon. I don't know when, but the 91% off of Bulenox does end today, just so you guys know. Code MM for that. What up, Pine Tree in the house? Let's get it. Let's do it. Funky Cole Medina. You need a quick trade before I jump on a plane? Uh-oh. Just do something. June Tree. What up, Alpha? You about to go live yourself? Nice. I didn't know you streamed Alpha, did I? This Alpha. Let me look at his channel. I'm subscribed. Oh yeah, maybe I did know. Maybe I did know. Jim, it said the 18th when I looked at it yesterday. I'll check it again. I don't want to check it right now because we're too close to open. Actually, I got time. We'll check it. July 18th. It ends. So I think that's today, right? Morning, Jan. Yeah, that's today. All right. You the man, Jim. You have to fly to these people to see people. Uh-huh. All right. We got to be ready. The name's Alpha Prime, Coach Fred. All right, we got about 2 minutes here. Wow, we're just ripping. What are we doing? What's going on here? I mean, before we even open, I'm just ripping. Oh, man, I had this. This is wrong. Holy cow, guys. Look at this thing go. That's insane. What are we doing? What in the hell is going on here? Holy smokes. I mean, what is this thing doing? Is that new highs? It is. What are we doing? Holy cow. Already moving around like crazy. Yeah, this is crazy. Tech T just jumped in, got 500. Let's go. Look at this thing. RTY sinks. A little bit of volatility. All right, 1 minute until we open here. 1 minute. No, the market's not open yet, Fred. Now, if you click on his name and go view channel, you should be able to see it. Volatility. All right, 15 seconds. Get my candle, get my order ready here. Here's open. Getting in a little early there, but that that is weird that we had so much volatility there, and then now it's not moving at open. Is that not weird? We had all that volatility, and then it's not moving. Weird. All right, we got our win, though. So I made $890 there. What? How's one only up 140? Dude, that makes no sense. That's annoying. Come on. I mean, clearly we got the 5 points, 4 points there. But I guess the copier slipped. We're up 890 on the lead account, and then the God dang it, isn't it? It never ends. It's so frustrating. It's supposed to be an $890 winner, and I made $90 and $100 and $100 on the followers. Like, what in the world? That's so crazy. Morning, Treff. How would a 30-second have done today? I would have won. Of course, on the day I didn't take it. Would have won 10 points on the 30-second. Could still take the could still take the upside on the 30-second. Maybe we do that. Oh, 625 to 08. We might try that. Oh, we need to have a stop though. Oh. 20. So 0825. Maybe. You demand YOLO. Apex ding. What happened? I'll leave this on or not. I don't even know. Do we just start fresh next week? YMRTY are puking. Yeah, ES kind of pulling back there. Might leave this 30-second on here. We'll see. Massive SMT with Dow. Now let's see what happens. I mean, I'm risking $500 here. Really a little less than that, but because as this moves into profit, this is going to trail. I've never tried the 30-second this way, so I'm going to need it just to go. Yeah. Probably just gave back what I actually just made. We only lost a few hundred there. Would have stopped out for the full loss anyway. All right. Let's get on our regular accounts here and just start looking now. Short over here on my take profit account. Looking for the 76 area. My mouse is acting funky. Move the stop in there. See that imbalance down at 76. What the hell? Where's the imbalance? Oh, is it down here? Yeah, it's at 76. Why does it have... Man, it's got the stop way too close. What is it doing? All right. Look for that run down into 68 now. There we go. Think your bot needs a latency limit? Yeah, probably, Jan. I quit using it. All right, we're kind of bringing our ways back to these levels that I'm interested in, but unfortunately, it's before 9:45. Do I want to take a stab here off this level prior to 9:45? You got that liquidity sitting below down there at 250 though. Probably wait and see how price reacts. Holding short. The power of one mini. Let's go, Coach Fred. $1,200. Let's go. I might try my funded trade here. Let me look a little deeper here. See what I think. I think I'm going to try it here, down here at the 68 level, 68, 65. If we get to it. Now, why in the heck did the take profit stuff come off? Come on now. All right, I'm in here. Probably should have waited and let it dip a little more, but might get stopped. It's frustrating. I didn't wait long enough. Oh, what? Hold on. No wonder I clicked on the wrong flipping chart. You gotta be kidding me. Literally the same entry. I just was in too soon. See if we can get our money back here at least. Come on. You gotta be flipping kidding me. God dang it. Get through there. Go. That's frustrating. God dang it. Fucking one tick me. You dirty girl. Oh. That dirty. God dang it. Frustrating. All right, we're down $200 on that account. Oh, full-blown nutty style. Give us a good rant. I can't do it. God dang it. That's so annoying. Come on. Get above the VWAP here and rip. Should be able to get into that 87 area. Gets above the VWAP, we should be able to go. Come on, rip it. Get back into that 87 area. Go. If we could pop the VWAP here, I think we squeeze. It's unable to do it right there so far. Kind of holding up here. Maybe we're waiting on news. I don't know. News is at 10 a.m. 17 minutes, or yeah, 17 minutes still. ES does feel like it wants to pull back here. 290, is pretty small, Jan. Yeah, that first gap. Alcy Faye, good morning. I do think if we pop the VWAP here, we squeeze. I mean, this gap's not that... I mean, it is small, but not that bad. What are you going Elon to be deported? If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Oh, I mismanaged that first funded trade. I'm annoyed by that. Quite annoyed. There's the 945 candle. $250 or $290. Probably $290 in my opinion. But who knows? Could be wrong. Inside bar here on the 5 minute. 281 or 266. Inside bar on the 5. Let's see. All right, I'm going to break to the upside here. It looks like a little double top there for now. All right, I'm long here. 5 minis. That's ridiculous. It literally hit my target again and did not take me out. What is going on today? What is going on? What in the world is going on here? I don't know. You'd rather be a humanoid than a hemorrhoid? Looks like Trump is pissed about housing market. I don't know. I don't understand why it's not filling me. It literally hit my target twice and didn't fill me. I'm not sure why. 2 times. I mean, you see that over here on the My Funded Futures. It literally was 1 tick from my target there. Frustrating. Frustrating. Friday, yeah. It could be. It's just annoying. ES pushing up here, 63.50. Holding up here at the 90. All right, I'm going to stab long here, looking for the push above 300. About to be stopped immediately, too. Come on. Don't be ridiculous here. All right, I'm long. Look for the push above 300. See if we can get it. Everything going to be down $500, maybe $600 if this loses. This is going to make me kind of annoyed if this loses because, like, I tried the short twice there, and both times it failed me. Come on, rip it up here. You just cleared that imbalance. Let's go. $303. Let's get it. Come on. You can do it. I forgot about the news. Still 10 minutes away from it, though. Rip it. Come on, go. You know you want to. Let's go. So, man, this is annoying as hell now. Knew it was going to do that shit. What the fuck was that? God dang it. Fucking... Oh, well, there's a $779 loss on that account on those trade days. Done on those. They have a problem with their clock. Oh, man, I'm so annoyed. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take the long here off this key level. Last trade on this account, too. If this account loses, then we're done for the day. Be done for the day. That's so frustrating. So frustrating there. Bashar, yeah, I think this long is fine. This long's fine. It's off a key area. We're off the key level, the previous day close. This is a long that I would take every time. It's actually a long that I took earlier that we lost on. But yeah, previous day close down there. Decent spot. It's frustrating because like I mismanaged my first trade, right? Second trade went one tick from my level, and then one tick from my take profit, and then stopped me out break even. So Well. 15-minute range is set. Well, we did have an inside bar there. I longed off the inside bar. So we're done on the trade day accounts for now today. We're not going to trade those anymore. Gave back day and a half, basically 2 days of profits. That sucks, but want to keep those in good shape. So we'll just accept that loss and move on. I was going to... you know, I should have waited for the 50 touch here. I just noticed that. God dang it. Not seeing it well today, to be honest with you guys. I should have waited for the 50 touch here. Still might work out, but might just kill it. I was thinking we jump back into that 15-minute range that we might squeeze, but because a lot of times you'll see that, but I probably should have waited for the 50 level to hit. I'm just going to drop the stop. It's a free trade. Either hits or it doesn't. I like the 50 level better, though. Spend the rest of the day in a shitbox. We didn't have one side inside bar. True. Yeah. I was thinking, like, I just noticed the 50s kind of lining up with these wicks down here. So I think you probably could get a bounce off this 50 level for 10 points or so. So I kind of like that buy a little better. Initial balance, I guess. Yeah, I still got 30 minutes. Oh, wait. Never mind. We got that news coming up. I forgot about. Let me get this off there. 20 seconds from the news. You just got zoomed? Nah, design. You said it was so easy looking. It said, design said it was easy. We're going to do it. We're going to get them. All right, there's the news. The good old news. Well, that definitely did something, huh? ES double topped at the high. Short YM zoomed. Looks like it put your close again at yesterday's settlement price. Yeah, it did. I don't know why it does that. I got it marked out right over here. Now I 100% do like a long off this area. Left equal highs up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this out. And we're going to try to get this type of trade here. That's going to be the idea. I like this. Previous day settlement price is shown. Oh. This will be the last trade on this account. We're either going to be up $600 or down $400. I mean, if we get the inverse here, we'll take it, but like, it's not going to be near as big a winner. I'd rather be long down here. But we still will take it if we get it. Yeah, I see that, Pine Tree. We see that. Up at, well, I think, yeah, they're off by one tick, basically, 96. But yeah. I'm looking for a long off the 50 level here. I think a sweep of these wicks makes sense. You know, a little sweep of the sell side there, and then we can maybe target these highs. We'll see if that's a good area or not. So there's an FVG around my stop loss. Yeah. Burn all the records. Yeah, I see they're equal on trade evade. I don't know why they're not on this other chart over here. All right, let's see what happens here. You dirty mother trucker. All right, tagged in there. Let's see how it reacts. We want it to be a nice immediate reaction here. ES needs to recover this 46 level quickly. I'm going to be honest with you guys. If I see $300 on the P&L, I may just take it off. But if it loses, we're just done for the day. Yeah, that's not the reaction we wanted. Go. You can do it. Get back above 50 to squeeze here. You can do it. Teetered with the 50 there. All right, we're going to get stopped here for sure. Yep. Yeah, Oracle, I'm about to myself. Just not seeing it good. Got $400 on the My Funny Futures account now. Do have this wick down here at 234. All right, see you Monday, Oracle. Now we long. Yeah, it could be Bashar. I don't think we ran that wick over here yet, though. Probably would want to see that first. At a minimum. I mean, here's the thing. We talked about this last night. Like, you can have a good idea to where you, like, think price is going to go, right? I think it's going here. But doesn't mean that it does, right? Sometimes you get June. Yeah. Oh, how did I get off? How did I get on the 15-second? I accidentally put it on there? I guess maybe I did. We'll go to 200, 220 before going up. Maybe, Andy. We'll see. I don't think so, Trev. I mean, I kind of think we need to clear out this wick at least at 230. Maybe get some sort of SMT here. Frustrating because I moved my stop. It should only have risked $400 on those trades on the trade day. Moved my stop down. It actually gave me a chance to get out break even, and I didn't take it. And then obviously, I don't know what that huge dump was right there. I'm not quite sure. 30-point candle. 250 EMA. So, why are my comments not going through? All I said was flaccid. I don't know, Bashar. Where? I didn't see. Yeah, I didn't see the flaccid one. I don't know. Unless someone. I don't think anybody deleted it. I don't see it. Yes, at the yes, at the low here. Let's see. We sweep the 34 level. I may give one more long a try. And if that doesn't work, then all right, ES at support. I mean, are we going to sweep this level or not? You think we do, but family friend, you chat no dongs. Yeah. Oh. I'm going to go ahead and try it here. I mean, ES is holding that level. Of course, as soon as I try it, it'll rip below it, but I'll go stop to break even, maybe above like 53. Just looking for a squeeze here. We have an SMT right now. Let's see if it holds. I'm going to get out of it. I don't like it. I don't want to dig. I want to wait for the key. Wait for this area to be cleared, and then we'll look for it. I just think it will clear it. So that drop had your dong looking like Mike Tyson's fist. What are we talking about? All right. I mean, do I have that marked out correctly? I do. Like, come on, man. Quit trying to... It's trying to, like, con me into that trade before it's really triggered, you know? All right, now that's that level. Let's wait for the ES to reclaim 41 if it does. It's kind of what I'm waiting on. Or maybe we get a 1 minute long entry or something. What up, Jim? There is a 30-second here. How big is that, though? Let me see. 36. I mean, it's not bad. Yeah, it could candlelight. I could just be early on the longs. You know what I mean? For sure. Oh, I have no idea. I hate weeks. I wasn't sure. I'm not sure. Got that. There's a gap down there at 213. What is that gap from? Is that the new week opening gap? No. I was just zoomed in a little too much. It's 5 minute gap. So we did just tap into that 5 minute. Been trying to catch that flush in since the open. Got it in Bulenox. Let's go. Nice job, Coach Fred. Yeah, I mean, in hindsight, the short was the play. Funny thing is, I was actually shorting up there at the 280s. And got stopped out. I got stopped out of the short like 3 times trying to short. And then I flipped the long bias from there. What's the next area that we're looking at here? Like 197? Maybe the 197 area. $23,200, 100 lots. Makes sense. Makes sense. The 30-second. Yeah, he could long there, but $228. Eh. I'm going to try a little long here. Stop to break even at 235.75. Is that wick there, basically? Oh, man, guys. I thought we're going to 240 at least. I was going to try a 240 short. And I decided just to take the long into 240. $241. I was going to try short off that 241 area is what I was thinking. IB in 10-minute 100-point range, yeah. Didn't quite make it to that 240 yet. Holy cow. Really? It didn't make it to 240. It came so close. Gosh. I was looking for 241. It pushed up to 239. It came so close. Five-minute bull harami, but it could turn into a bull. Yeah, it didn't do it. That's a chase. I want it off the 240 level. Like, I don't know why it's not getting there. 241. I mean, that's really where I wanted the short off of, but this is annoying. Not trading very well. Kind of being stupid here a little bit. So, trying to chase. Gotta wait for something that makes sense. So let's regroup here. I want to see it get up to back up to the 240 area for a short. What up, Rob? Yeah, mine was long too. I've been long. Well, my first couple of trades were short. Five-minute wick eater. Yeah, there was an inside bar there on the 5-minute. I just noticed that. No, wait, that's not. That's ES. Never mind. Never mind. That's on the ES. What happened to my camera? I'm going to take a little 10-point stab here off the 200 level. Go stop to break even at like 207. See if we can't get a push up. All right, guys. I think I'm going to have to... I'm probably going to have to walk away here. I'm just doing stupid stuff. Just nothing correct. I'm digging a hole. Down $800 already on this account. I'm still pushing the buttons. Just like, makes no sense to even do. Makes no sense. No sense. think I'm going to have to just walk away. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Just going to call it a day here. If you guys want to help support the channel, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm down $872 on this account. And then we are down, let me bring up my other P&L so you guys can see. We're up 550 on one, down 200, down 200, down 200. And these accounts are down 779 and 1450. Just not seeing it good. Sometimes you just have to walk away. You can send it to me in Discord if you want to. I hate weeks. Yeah, it's just not my day. Sometimes you just gotta walk away. So that's what I'm gonna do. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.